Hey, thank you for this question. It's very good. So actually this is doable from outside. So what you can do is that you will go into our Agent ThinkFlow, you go into MCP server here, and as you can see in here, I already have a connection of the Google Docs and Slack already. So I will search for Google Form, and we have a Google Form integration here. You click on install, it's going to click in here, and then it will lead you to the website that you can connect your account, form account. So I will just open this account, I will connect, continue, and then it's going to prompt pop up that I can connect to my Google account in here. So after the connection occurs, actually what I can do is I can copy. Okay, well, it's a lot of questions. Okay, I will just continue. Back here. Okay, so I have this URL, I will copy this one, I'm going to back to Agent ThinkFlow, and I will paste it here. Okay, I will drag this one on the right hand side that you can see. So this is MCP Google Form. Okay, I will class add here. Okay, so this one is already connected, so I can't have my Google Doc, I have Slack and Google Form already. What I can do is that I'm going to back to my agent. So this is the Slack and Google Doc agent. So I just click on edit agent, and then I will just add a new agent, which is on the Google Form in here, and then it will be added. And that is that you are connected, and then based on this one, actually your agent will have the access to Docs and Slack and Form, and then you can design the workflow so that it can serve your purpose. Okay, try it and let me know if it's any question, and our support team can support you on that. Bye bye.